Hey guys, it's one with BJAJ again, and today we're going to do some magnet fishing. Today I'm here with Cheeseburger Man. Yeah. We're going to be doing the, what is it?
We roughly don't know where the place is, but when we get near it, there should be like a name on the bridge or something.
It's the canal by the canal boat trips. You know what I'm on about if you know it from the area. Currently we're at Aldi.
Just have to stock up on some supplies.
Yep. If you know who lives up there, big up to you.
Yeah, if you know roughly who lives near the Aldi, put in the comments who lives around here.
Lives
He's a
quite
YouTuber. He's probably in the top 10 biggest in the UK.
Yeah, he's a fucking legend. Anyway,
A
guys.
little question, yeah. If you put a microwave on his head to scare you an int.
Anyway, guys, we'll talk to you once we're there. Alright? See you guys. Hey guys, we're at the place. Good old tunnel. There's some pigeons. Bro, them pigeons are cuddling in that.
Pigeon are angry because we just robbed their spot. Yeah,
They're
guys,
scrapping.
I don't know where we are, and that's the canal bit for like the Black Country Museum.
Yep.
I think he's going down the tunnel.
Yeah, probably.
Or he's probably just going down the park down.
Let's head down here a bit.
Yeah, guys, we can see a lot of stuff in the water. We don't know if it's metal objects, but
Hopefully we can get some good stuff.
yeah, we'll have a look. See if there's a good spot. Oh, what's it? There's something sticking out of the water down. Let's go if we find like a massive pond.
God.
No, we could do.
What?
We could start at that way, right there. Then work back and do that one lap.
Look at the water. The water's a mess.
That's why we Adrian the spinner power through. I think we're going to find the most stuff.
Yeah guys, hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Someone's house.
We probably might have a lot of stuff here. Yeah guys, this water is absolutely just covered in weeds.
Yeah, and the floor's covered in shite.
Oh yeah, this bridge looks promising. It don't look like there's loads of like weeds.
Yeah. Not a lot of weeds. What? Got some metal down there that I can see. I'm probably going to cut this out of the video because not much is happening.
Yeah, this one looks promising for the first one.
Yep, I can see tons of stuff.
That's a fucking, I swear that's like a sink.
Yeah.
We can see a lot of cans.
Right, let's set up.
Yeah, I'll take put our bags here. Just set them in the centre.
Alright guys, we're going to set up and I'll see you when we are. Hey guys, we're back. Don't mind my hair, I look a bit gay, I know. Alright, we've got the magnets.
We've got set up. Yeah, so our first toss. Let's see what we get.
First toss.
Let's see how, well, this is going to test how far my arm goes. That's pretty good then.
Oh, you got me gloves? The last time we went magnet fishing was like a good 3 months ago and my gloves are still wet.
Yeah, it was like, I think it was like June or July that I was done with it.
But last year we were going to be gloves
Yeah, have you got anything? No. First toss guys, we've got nothing.
Half 6. Obviously big.
Yeah, there is something big in that corner.
It's come off First catch of the day is a bit of metal. Nice bit of metal. Some nails. Right, back in here.
Oh, some stuff.
Your hands wet.
No. Well, guys, got. I don't know what the hell this is.
What do you think?
That's absolute. I don't know what that is. I have to say, guys, it looks sort of off a bike. Doesn't look.
Well, I've just found a mangled nail.
You look at that, because that does not look like. I thought it was like something off like a bottle, like a can or something. Because like if you turn it over, it's got like a, I thought it was something like a can. We've got a bent screw,
I'd say,
metal, and some bolts.
just like me,
Right.
centre of a disc brake on a bike.
So guys, let's just put that away. Cut the root there, yeah. That's it, just keep it going. Just keep it going. There's no point continuing, just edit this bit out.
It's about coming past, guys. Hey guys, we're back.
We just had one of the boats from like the texture around, just come past, so we had to knock around magnets in. Because if we chuck them in the boat gets attached to them, we caught a boat.
Quarter boats.
Mate, that was the biggest finding magnet fishing history, that was a bloody boat full of people.
Alright guys, back at it.
Well guys, the boat's kind of done us a good favour though, because you kind of smell
Got rid of all the weeds.
You know what? He actually has as well.
Would you?
Yeah.
So I'm looking at an arse envelope.
Envelope.
Right, what was the big envelope?
Imagine that if you look at an envelope, yeah, it's literally just like a rare coin in it.
Right, mate, you can find a Rolex.
Nah, a rare coin was sort of like 50k. Now we see.
Well, that's some purse.
What we got in this cast? What have we got?
Bottle cap. First bottle cap of the day.
Yeah guys, we've mainly just all bits.
Find the bit in the bowl.
No, just call all the little tiny ones, just call them bits. And you'll figure it out. The only thing I've read out of that bloody pile where I had is a screw. I don't know what the rest of it was. What the hell stuff is that?
What bottle?
Oh, fucking hell.
For
Man. Be careful. Get the magnet off. Be careful. It's not hard, you've got to get that magnet off.
say 3,000 and still
Get back off. No. Be careful. Like if you press like.
that's it.
Sorry.
Right. Yeah, it's full of water on it, so
What is it?
it's like a NOS can. Not a NOS, but
Alright guys, I just pulled.
you know those laughing gas that those teenagers do?
Yeah, it's like a laughing gas canister. Scared me though, I thought it was like a bloody bomb or something. But yeah, it's like a CO2 thingy. And that really was scared the hell out of me. I thought it was a bloody bomb. I only saw the bottom of it, I didn't see like the point of it, and I thought, oh god, I thought it was like a cancer. It felt like you know if you took out the water.
Yeah, it's full of water. What put it next to the camera?
Like I was up there, it's not really good there. You know what I'm doing?
Yeah, good there.
I'm actually doing like I'm just going, same place. So it's probably the one. You know what I'm going to do with that one? Scrap one. I'm going to take it.
cotton and white. Balls.
Plastic
Find a bit more stuff, guys. Move this cat. It's still recording. Don't shut the door.
Yeah, did you hear it? Yeah, there's some more little bits. I think that's probably, well, that's the best side of it already.
That's pants.
Yeah, that's probably that's the biggest thing we found, really.
Yeah. It's all some trolleys in there.
Ooh, I would say that. I'll bet we'll find a rubbish one.
I just found a weird block.
Where's one?
Look.
Oh, let's pull this out.
It looks like a piece from like wood. Ooh. It's something else.
Never
Nice,
been
guys.
looks magnetic.
It's like a wood with metal
Just a
on it.
bolt.
That's not a bolt, Jay.
No, the one I just found.
Oh,
Spring.
don't know what that is.
Just some little bits.
And we've got some nails and bits of metal.
Do like the edges where people would throw stuff.
Throw it in the centre, right?
Well, people chuck anything up there. So I can pull this way.
Got my first coin.
What?
Got my first coin. See if I can try and pick up a bit. That's a penny. Nice rusted penny. Where'd you go? Look.
You got it. Right, keep that mark back. Well, I'll show you this. Right, guys, got a rock and a lighter.
I've got some sort of
Plate or this.
plate. Got like a piece of metal.
This way.
Got another piece of metal.
There is some stuff out there that we have to do.
I would say this is a bullet casing, but probably not.
What this black thing?
Yeah.
Pipe
Another
probably.
nail. Got another nail.
You caught that, I think it's absolutely
And bits. Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell. I found like a pole but it dropped because a bit at the end of it was plastic.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to get through. That's what I got.
What would you say about
That's probably part of that.
random little metal. Hang on, is it? Put it next to it.
I mean, it looks like the same kind of thing.
Yes, it's probably a box.
Yeah.
It's here somewhere. It's like a little, it's about like this. A little like hole. It has got plastic. It has got plastic on it, so it's like, yeah, it's one. Somewhere down there. Oh, we've got a bit of plastic on it though. Oh, man, it's all the only bit of plastic on it. There guys, we've got a bottle cap there. No. Big there. So I'll put it up. There's something here somewhere because I felt it when it come off the I think it's like an handbag or something like a bag. I saw it. I don't know what it is. They'll drag it from like the same there. I think there's an umbrella down there. So I'm getting loads of these. I'm getting a load of these. Yeah guys, you know them like little things what you have on the umbrella? Like the little metal bits.
I've got some sort of metal pyramid for like a hinge.
Just a load of more little bits of metal. We'll probably find a bloody garage door there.
And the head.
We find a kitchen sink. We find a kitchen sink down there.
Should I get to go with that?
Better be the one magnetic as well. Magnetic. What the hell? You know what that is? You know, PCs with like a blue cable at the end to plug it in. That's one of them. What's that doing in there? So that means there's got to be a PC in there. Brilliant. Yeah, so I suppose we want an old gaming setup. One, what else we got? Then.
Oh, we've done it probably like still there. Still there.
There guys, we've got a cable and some random piece of metal.
Hey guys, we're back. I've got 8 minutes. No? Let's get my gloves back now. We've moved to the second bridge. Right, Joe? Yeah. All that stuff should move in like the next 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
It's all going that way.
It needs, yeah. We just don't want to get that bloody out though, so it was just
Or the one coming back went that way. Do it by that.
So he went that way. I bet this guy here is part there, he's going to be doing something if he does.
If it's coming that way, I'll probably come back.
In the edges over. I'm going to go under the bridge. It's more over there.
Turn the camera. Oh, Joe, fucking spotless over there. Spotless over there. Back in a sec, guys.
Yeah guys, we're just playing some chain. Only a little bit of chain though. It was quite a lot of stuff in this there. But the entire bridge is just covered. Look guys, for a piece of metal. Just like I think or something like that. Right. Oh, good. That's a little piece of just random stuff. Mainly just all just random stuff. You keep finding. Right. Well, just press the...
Hey guys, we're back. It has been a few hours, but we're in a different spot, so hope you guys enjoy. Just get your gloves on.
Way too far from the other spot.
No, forget.
Guess where we found now?
What there?
Found it literally, it was literally in the
Oh
water.
guys, this knife, we found it like here basically. So this is our lucky spot. Get my rope sorted. I usually tie it around my wrist.
Tie it to your bag.
No, Jay, no. I've tied it around my leg. It's not going to pull me in, is it?
You say that.
Or yank it.
Well, it's just sitting there, isn't it?
I got 5 minutes left.
Okay, so you need
We'll
to
have to delete something.
Yeah. Well, we've been going that way, we need to have enough thing there.
Yeah.
Alright, just get started. If that kid's saying, have you found him for like Andy and Mum?
And your mama.
Oh look, yo guys, look, I found something. David needs to put my magazine.
Catch it a day, didn't even catch it.
Man's just from there to right. Man gonna run over my rope? Did man want to slap?
Oh, yeah, I think we're
Man run over my fucking rope. Peasant. Good fucking question. Yo, that's actually sick. Oh.
She came back to you, Jay.
Mate, you know fucking what they're called?
Boomerang.
Yeah. Man, I have enough.
Part of the can,
Part of the can.
and then a screw. Who said my nan? Jay ordered in there. So put it in my bag.
That mine, mate. That is a fucking piece of metal.
Well,
Hold on.
hold on.
Cool.
It's a nice piece of metal.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
A fucking dragon poo from the 1950s. we've got to spend a bit of cash.
You want to move that out of the way?
Video's got like 40 seconds left. The video cuts off randomly, it's because it's died. We'll get something set.
Did you say you found a cat?
Well, the video's still up.